Hello there and welcome to Lower 6th Further Maths Pure Core 1 past paper June 2014 these questions come from, and we're on FP1 question 4 from June 2014. I've got my calculator here ready for a matrices question. So find A, B, so that's matrix A times matrix B. So what I have here is a 3 by 2 matrix multiplied by a 2 by 3 matrix. So I know my answer is going to be a big 3 by 3 matrix. I'll check my answer on a calculator after I've done it. It's 4 marks, so I'm expected to show some working here. But it is very difficult when you're doing a matrix question to do some working. But we'll make sure we do some. So let's... what we do with matrices here is we multiply along the row and down the column. So 2 times 1 is 2, add 2 times 1 is 4. So I'm going to work down these columns in the second matrix, and then after I've done all 3 columns I'll go down to the next row in the first matrix and work down those columns there. So 1 times minus 1 is minus 1, add the 6 is 5, 4, 6. Okay, going down to this 3 minus 1 now, it would be 6, take away 1 is 5, minus 3 minus another 3 is minus 6, 12, take away 1 is 11, 8, take away 8, add 5 is 13, minus 4, add 15 is 11, and 4 times 4 is 16, add 5 is 21. Okay, so we can check this on the calculator. You need to press menu and select option 4 from the matrix mode. Then you need to type in a 3 by 2 matrix and enter the values in the cells. Then you have to enter your second matrix. What you do there is you clear the screen from before, go into option, press option 1 for define a new matrix, and then you select option number 2 for selecting matrix B. You have to then enter the dimensions, so 2 by 3, and then enter your cells into the matrix. Once you've done that, click AC, and then you recall your matrices and times them together. You do this by going to the option button. This option button on the top left here is really useful when you're in any mode to use any of the functions for that mode. Click option, select option number 3 for matrix A, times by option number 4, and then press equals on that, and you should get your answer. 4, 5, 6, 5 minus 6, 11, 13, 11, 21. Perfect, I've done that right. Explain why AB is not equal to BA. Well, for starters, they're different sized matrices, so that's going to affect things. So in this case here, I can use that answer for these two matrices here. This is because the size of BA is it's going to be multiplied the other way around, so it's going to be a 2 by 3 multiplied by a 3 by 2, and you always use these back numbers here to tell the size of your final matrix, because BA is a 2 by 2 matrix. Okay, that will suffice for that part. Moving on to part B, given that C equals this matrix and K is a real number, find C minus 1, giving your answer in terms of K. So first of all, we need to work out the determinant of C. So that's going to be the leading diagonal multiplied together, take away the other diagonal. So it would be 2k squared minus 6, so that would be a plus 6. And so the inverse is then going to be 1 over this determinant, and I'll leave that at the front there, multiplied by the inverse of this matrix here. Now the way you do this is you swap over the leading diagonal and negate the other 2 cells. And that's the answer, 1 over 2k squared plus 6, and then in your matrix, k2 minus 3, 2k. 7 marks for that.